Hello guys, welcome back to a what? Another video! Are you a wolf?
Yeah.
Super proud of you, man. You saved up money. You got a new desk. Zaya was using this as his desk. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another video. Zaya has bought himself a gaming desk. He saved up money and is super excited because we're gonna be switching his room around and he's gonna be able to actually play on an actual desk. Anyways, guys, our house is a mess and we've been trying to clean it and it's something that we struggle with. Zaya has stuff everywhere because he took it out of that. A little messy here as well. And here as well. And just stuff everywhere, guys, as you can see. There's even stuff everywhere in my hallway right now. We're basically doing like spring cleaning, but well, I guess it is spring. So I was gonna say in summer, but it's spring. Anyways, let us know in the comments if we're alone and just constantly struggling to catch up on the house. I feel like our schedule is so crazy. The kids have practice, we have this to do, we have that to do. And like the last on our list is like to get the house done. We always say, oh, before we go to bed, we're gonna get this done. And we come home, we're exhausted, we end up falling asleep. So, hey, it's real life. It's real life, guys.
Dang, bro. Ah, that was cool.
Today we're gonna do a little bit of clean with me, a little bit of decorate with me. We have never really done videos like this, so I'm gonna show you guys what this wall looked like just like 2 minutes ago before I added that sign. Throwing away so much stuff, guys, but I don't know. It's kind of embarrassing to show our house dirty.
I don't know what you're doing it for.
Jasmine finished cleaning a bunch of dishes. Okay, where do you want this sign at? We got the "May your coffee be stronger than your toddler." I don't know if that fits, bro. Just really don't know if it looks good.
This one, like, maybe right here, so that the
Yes, and then where does this one go?
under it.
That's too small for that space.
I
Man.
got these. I have that other one that you said is ugly.
So guys, I've ruined like a ton of sheetrock in our house. There's a giant hole in my office, like a giant hole. So now I'm just using these stick-on things. I don't know why I didn't use these before. It just doesn't make any sense to put holes everywhere, and then when you try to paint, you're sitting there patching them up for a week. All right, so we actually took off this sign from the other side. Jasmine wants it right here, right there. All right, cool. We got that one in. More nails to take. Oh. Jasmine doesn't like the way this looks. I like how they look when they're stacked.
No, they need like pasta.
No, I don't know. You let us know, guys. Is it better like this or like this? I think this is ugly. She has this stand. Honestly, she should just grab all these, throw them in a basket, just put them under there, and then just put like little decorations there. Now what? What do you want me to put on that side? Is it crooked? See, that's what's nice. They just Velcro off.
It's because of the way it's bent. It was only $8. That's better.
$8 for that?
Yeah, that's cute.
It
That's
was
cheap.
$9 for that one. I'm saying like, guys, this is like, it got warped. And it's kind of like at an angle, so I think that's why.
Warped tour.
That much lower? This was from Big Lots. This one goes right here.
Or above that. Which one would look better?
You need something bigger for up there.
You can put both of those.
I don't know if this looks good. It's so small. It looks fine right here. I don't know if I like that. Looks ugly.
Yeah, that does.
You should just get the Cricut and make a sign while I'm gone.
Yeah, probably I'll do that. Put this one right under here.
Go find a frame that looks like it'll fit so we know where it goes, and then you can do it instead of making it and guessing.
I was gonna make my Grey's Anatomy sign.
You know what's crazy? The minute you started watching Grey's Anatomy, you started getting payments for like Social Security and like
I don't know what you're saying.
you're old.
So?
Well, let's see how that fits. I think that's too small.
Put it up where?
See, I don't think this is gonna. Yeah, that's too small. You need to fill in that space better.
You moved all the signs.
Oh, here's another situation, guys. It's actually clean. What about that one right there? That's like a perfect size. It's already done too.
Okay.
Unless you want to repaint it.
Yeah, I'm gonna repaint it. That's ugly.
Yeah, I made that for Jasmine a long time ago. But you have these too, Jasmine, that you can paint. Like this one right here would be pretty. It's kind of small though. I don't know. I think the one you got is fine.
Yeah, that's the biggest one. I mean, I can't reach those. And I can't reach those.
I know. There's just so much stuff in here. We have a bulk pickup coming up this week, so we get rid of a lot of stuff. Oh, what about these?
Those are just fun.
No, I know you could.
Those aren't even mine.
Yes, they are.
Those are mine.
Why do you have them?
Cause I have so many things that my mom's like, can you make me this cup on your? Can you make me a cup with your Cricut? Can you make me this? Can you make me that? And I'm like, yeah, and I keep them.
But we don't even use them.
No, we don't. They end up in here.
By the way, took this out of my office. I'm redoing my office. That video's coming soon. Dude, I totally forgot we were redoing this one. Yeah. Paint this with the flat paint. Remember how I said we needed something? Look at, dang.
Well, that can go both.
No, it's too long.
Let me see.
It's way too long. Look.
No, it's not.
It doesn't fit. This is the place where it fits, right here. I say take the rise and grind off. You put this right here.
I don't like that.
Right here?
Or what about right here?
No, that's like...
This is gonna have to go like in our room. Maybe I'll put, pick me, choose me, love me for our bed.
I don't even know what that is.
Grace?
Oh, look at this.
Perf or no?
I think so.
Nate, I don't like that.
I don't know.
I don't know. What can go right there? That's my cup and you're trying to jack it.
Dude, I love this cup. I love that I found it.
Okay.
Put pictures of your friends and you drinking coffee together.
Me and Janelle. She's the only one that drinks coffee with me.
This is supposed to be for my office, but I will gladly give it to you.
No, I don't like that right there.
Good. I found these in the garage. Oh, this is a good size. I found 2 of them. You can make this so pretty. Huh?
Put them long ways. Put them both ways.
No, this would have to go down. It's too much.
Daddy,
Unless you put this.
I lost the flashlight.
So that's a perfect fit too. That's what I would do. I would paint this black.
Uh-huh.
Put this right here.
Yeah.
And then put this right here.
Yeah, that's cute.
Is it?
Yeah, I'll do that.
You don't, I mean, if you don't like it, don't do it. Jasmine doing some painting. Me and Zay gotta go to practice. And I don't know where Ellie went.
Kicking up it. You know from here you can't talk.
Okay, I'm sorry. You coloring?
No.
No, I'm sorry.
And I don't know how Mexican moms do this, where they cook these like good ass Mexican dishes and keep their house clean and keep their kids listen and. It's too much.
These? I love these.
Sopes?
Yeah, they came out good.
I love when Coco makes them.
Yeah. She decided to be in Texas, so we'll see.
Practice was good, man. You killed it today.
So everybody doesn't think I sit on my ass while Jordan cleans.
If anybody wants to learn how to make these Mexican masterpieces, check out Jasmine's channel. Her grandma will go into depth showing you how to make them.
What?
Okay, what have you been saying nonstop?
I was watching a video, and then I was watching Peppa video, and then
Peppa Pig?
Yeah, Peppa Pig, and then what are you doing, Peppa Pig? Peppa, what are you doing on my chair? No!
Well guys, we need your help. Jasmine's gonna be making some signs that she was painting, and let us know what you guys think about these signs. She really wants this one right here, so I think that one's a for sure one, but we need to choose another one. And so here are some of the ideas she gave me. Let us know which one's your favorite, as well as thank you all for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care guys, appreciate all your time.